Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Posts. Today we had come again with some shipping ships accident, mainly the Roro. So one of the Italian Roro collided with Greek ferry in Cagliari. Roro cargo ship Massimo Mura collided with both passenger Roro ferry Ariadne at Cagliari in afternoon October 23, while proceeding to berth with assistance of two tugs. One of towliness broke up in strong sirocco wind gusts. Reportedly both ships sustained superficial damages, but as of 1700 UTC, October 23, both were still in port. Passenger ship Roro ship Ariadne IMO 9135262 GT 3082 built 1996 black flag grease operator Hellenic Seaways Roro cargo ship Massimo Mura. One another Roro ship Ferry Polish ferry several damage in collision at Stad, Sweden. Polish ferry Jan Sniadecki went out of control and struck fire at Stad, Sweden at around 1100 UTC October 24. Arrival from Sweden just Poland. Ship both suffered serious damages as can be seen on the photo. Fire was also damaged. Reportedly prior to hitting fire, Jan Sniadecki moved dangerously close to Berth Ferry. Cause of accident yet unknown. Passenger roller ship Jan Sniadecki IMO 8604711 GT 14417 built 1988 flag Cyprus manager Euroafrica Line for land. If you like of this video, please subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.